If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. Because your girl is back with another wig review / install. So today I'm going to be installing a T-part wig. Honestly, I tried 2 T-part. This is my second time trying a T-part wig. When I first seen the T-part wig things, I'm like, I don't know, I don't know if that's gonna look natural, but I'm gonna show you how it looks. But then when I tried it on and stuff, because I have another T-part wig, I'm gonna put a picture right there. This is the other T-part wig that I have. I'm like, you know what, these T-part wigs is actually not bad. I definitely recommend them, and I feel like T-part wigs is also perfect for beginners. It kind of reminds me of a closure, because you don't have to do anything with a closure. You don't have to glue it. T-part wigs you don't have to glue. You could glue it though, but you don't have to glue it. So the T-part that I have is from Luvmehair. It did come in a box, but I kept it in the bag. The box is downstairs, and I was like, I didn't feel like going all the way downstairs to get it. But from Luvmehair, y'all know I love Luvmehair. I have so many wigs from Luvmehair. If you guys ever want a video showing y'all all the wigs that I have, the frontals and closures and headband wigs I have from Luvme, let me know, okay? Because I highly recommend Luvmehair company. If anybody has something bad to say about Luvme, I don't know, you must order from somewhere else, because I never had a bad experience, and I have paid for wigs from Luvmehair before, so I know they don't just send, you know, the people that do the reviews or work with them good hair. They send everybody the same hair. So just want to put that out there. And also I'm gonna put my coupon code right here, and put my coupon code in the description box below, and the information for the wig will be in the description box below. And I also give this little bag, Luvme bag, with some goodies in it. So they give some Barbie pins, a Luvme clip. This clip is so cute. It took me a while to realize that the clip said Luvme. I'm like, the whole time I had this clip, I never realized that it said Luvme on it. It comes, you know, they have an adjustable strap, some tweezers, a comb, and their little scarf thing to tie down, you know, the lace, or to tie down your hair. It's body wave, and this is a T-part. So you see, it's literally a T. You see, literally like a T. And I'm like, when I first seen them, like, girl, oh no, I do not know. So first things first, I'm gonna put some makeup on it, because I don't really feel like bleaching it. Okay, let's call it, this is the lazy girl install. I don't feel like bleaching the knots. You don't really have to, but I do see some black dots. But we're gonna do the lazy girl today, okay? We're gonna be lazy today. I have this. So actually, I'm gonna be trying the wig knot tailor by Luvme. This is my first time trying it. I never tried it before, so it's a stick, so you don't have to bleach it. So we're gonna try this, and let's see if we really, because it says no bleaching, so it's so that we don't have to bleach. So let's see how this works. Hopefully I'm doing it right. I'm gonna blend it with a brush too. Yeah, hopefully I'm doing it right, y'all. Now this is my first time trying it. I'm gonna just rub it in with my finger, because remember I said this is the lazy girl. I don't feel like you know, getting a brush and all that. I'm being super lazy. We have them days, right? So I finished. Wow, wait a minute. This looks like I bleached it. Wait a minute, y'all see that? This might be, well, we'll see when we put it on our head how it is. But oh yeah, I also forgot to show you, it also comes with an adjustable strap. I love when it comes with these adjustable straps, so that you don't have to glue it. So it's super secured, especially see it so that it fits all head sizes and secures all head sizes. It's literally like a bra strap, you know, when you want to lift your bra up. Like, that's basically how it is, you know, the edge. Y'all know, all my ladies, y'all know what I'm talking about. But it comes with that. So we're gonna be trying this on. I already have my wig cap on. We're gonna be trying this on now. I think this is too tight. Let me loosen it up a little bit. Cause I got a big head, but it's not like huge. So I don't need to have it that tight. I'm gonna be getting a headache. This color is pretty, y'all. I feel like Beyonce. So I'm about to go cut the lace and I'll be right back. I'll be right back, y'all. Your girl Beyonce is back. Okay, your girl Beyonce. I don't know, what's this giving? What's this? What should we call her? What is this? I don't know, what y'all think? Like, y'all see how flat this is? Haven't I been using this? This, what is this called? This wig knot healer. Why? This works better than my powdered foundation. Like, why haven't I been using this? What's wrong with me? It's literally just been sitting in my drawer, and the whole time I'm like, what in the world? Like, look at this. And y'all see how flat this is? I did do some plucking, just to, cause it was kind of like a straight line, as you guys seen in the beginning of the video. So I did some plucking, and right now I got my straightener getting hot so that I could just freshen up the curls a little bit. But y'all see how flat this is? Usually though, I like my part to this side, but it's all right. But you know, the thing is with T-parts, you can always like, oh, I like it to the middle. You can always, you know, do it the way you want to, because anyways, you see this? I'm not going to be lifting this up. I'm not going to be lifting this up. Just like when you have closures, I don't be gluing my closures, so I don't be lifting it up, but I like it to the middle. Ooh, this earring's hurting. Ooh, gosh. Sheesh. All right, but yeah, so I'm not gonna be lifting it up anyways. But I'm gonna add some thing. This is so, like, this is gonna be unedited. This is reality of the videos. But yeah, I'm gonna be using this mousse, my favorite mousse right here. I love this mousse, y'all. This is like a get ready with me lazy girl wig install. Like, if we in a hurry, sis, if we in a hurry, the thing I like about this mousse is you don't even need a hot combing. But yeah, like, we in a hurry, sis. We in a hurry to club living room, okay? Where are we in a hurry to? I don't know about y'all, but I'm still like club living room over here, okay? But yeah, I'm just gonna like bump the curls a little bit, just refreshing them up a little bit. So this is the Lazy Girl curls, the Lazy Girl install. Like, I'm telling y'all, T-parts is perfect for not even just lazy, like, you know, you don't feel like doing all of that and you still like, you just want a quick install, but also for beginners. Like, y'all see how easy this was? All I had to do was use their stick, so I didn't have to bleach it. I didn't have to I did have to pluck the middle part, well, the part, but that's super easy to do. Like, I didn't have to do a lot of plucking. I just had to just pluck certain areas just so that it looks like a part, like a natural part. I put some curls you know, some lazy girl curls. I put some mousse. Oh yeah, I cut the lace. Like, I feel like this is super easy and simple. Super easy and simple. Like, I was like, let me like do this video because I really want to try this here. I want to, you know, try it, see how the color was and everything. So I was like, why not do it with y'all and like do the lazy girl with y'all. The lazy girl, the lazy hair, the in a rush hair, but and still look good. Okay, don't I look good? Okay, sis, and I know you'll look good too. Okay, look at this. I feel like Beyonce. No, I feel like Sierra, not Beyonce, Sierra. Okay, I wish I had my fan right now. Like, I would have did a little effect and like had the fan blowing the hair. Let's just pretend like. Let's just pretend. I bet you'll start loving me as soon as I love somebody else. Somebody better than you. All right, let me stop. I don't know why I have so much energy right now. Jeez, you could just go. You could do a side part. But honestly, I like the middle part. But the side is cute too. But I don't know, I'm a middle part person. There's certain hair I can wear to the side. And then let me show y'all the back. Yo, I'm in love with this hair, okay? Okay, let me just like be real. Cause you know, when it comes to hair, I'm real. All right, when it comes to everything, I'm real. All right, I'm real. And this hair is super soft. I love it, okay? It doesn't have a smell. One thing I could say, let's get into this color job, okay? The color is pretty. It's okay, okay? The only thing about it is that, like, y'all can see, let me show y'all. Like, y'all see what I'm talking about with the color? Like, I feel like, I mean, of course you can straighten the hair because it's human, but I just feel like the color at the end should have been brought up, you know, here some. You guys see what I mean? I feel like they should have put some more of the color up here just so that it just flows, okay? So the color flows. Like, I feel like this here you got to keep curled. I feel like you can't straighten it, but you could color it yourself. You know, I could do that. I could put some highlights, you know, put the cap on and, you know, the highlight kit and put the cap on and, you know, take some strands out just so that everything flows. I'll be pretty. Like, if this color was like flowing down, like, that would be super pretty, okay? Super pretty. Then I'll really feel like Sierra. I'll really feel like Sierra. So I feel like you just have to keep it curled, because straight, I just feel like, I don't know, the color is not really flowing to wear it straight. But the color is pretty. But I just, like I said, I feel like they should have added some of the color at the end to the root. Y'all, I'm feeling myself right now. Like, I'm about to go take some pictures. But I love this. I feel like I'm about to go to the BET Awards right now. Okay? Minus a shirt. I need like put a cute dress on, my makeup's done, and we about to go to the BET Awards, okay? But yeah, so thank y'all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and purchase a T-part wig, especially for my beginners. Like, especially, like, this wig is for T-part wigs is for everyone, but especially for my beginners. Like, if you want to wear wigs or you want to wear protective style so you can give your hair a break sometimes, and if you ever want to color your hair, instead get a wig that's colored the way you want it to be colored, and get you a T-part wig. It's super simple, super easy. Y'all see I didn't glue nothing. I could literally take it off and go to bed. Okay, take it off, take the wig cap off, and put my bonnet on and go to bed. You don't have to take off the glue or anything. You could put glue if you want to, but like, y'all see how flat and secure it looks, okay? But yeah, I love y'all. Thank you to everyone that been supporting me and that continues to support me. I love y'all. Like, y'all don't understand how much I appreciate the people that been supporting me during this journey, watching my videos, commenting. We growing, and I told y'all, I'm never gonna stop, okay? It's only gonna get bigger. We're only, our crew of queens and kings is only going to get bigger. But I love y'all. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to get your wig by Love Me. Bye.